I wear Ortho-K lenses during the night, and I've tried everything. BioTrue, Renew, Clear Care. I've been on Clear Care for 5 years, maybe even more. Boston, all sorts of solutions. But I will tell you, throughout all these years, I can definitively say that Unique pH and Progent by Menicon, that's the company, are a super pack at removing debris, all the bacteria, gunk that's not supposed to be on that contact lens, so that you can have an easy insertion, a really restful night of sleep, nothing is bothering your eye. I mean, it's a game changer. When I found out about these two products, I was very skeptical because I don't like to try new things, especially when I'm so used to Clear Care, but my doctor recommended it and I'm so glad I listened. It truly makes a difference. So I use this daily and I use this bi-weekly, sometimes once a month depending on my contact lens. Super easy to use. I have a video on Unique pH and the whole process of start to finish. It's really concise and it gives you some tips. Be sure to check it out. And be sure to check out my other video on Progent. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I wouldn't be recommending something that I don't use. Glad they're available on Amazon. That's always a plus.